PC hardware. Simply speaking, hardware refers to any of a computer's physical parts. It includes everything in a computer that runs on a circuit board, such as the motherboard, graphics card, CPU, central processing unit, fans, ventilation, webcam, power supply, mouse, keyboard, and so on. Due to their different form factors, desktop computers and laptop computers have different designs for their hardware. Although they share the same fundamental components, hardware is required to run the necessary software that gives computers their usefulness. While both hardware and software are required for a computer to function, hardware selection is the primary factor in determining a system's performance. These are significant hardware components. Motherboard. The motherboard is like the brain of the computer, directing power where it's needed, collaborating with the various parts, and interacting with their user. CPU's central processing processor unit function. All data from computer programs is processed by the CPU, central processing unit or processor. RAM. RAM is used to temporarily store data that programs create in a way that makes it easy to access. Hard drive. The hard drive is a device for storage that can be used to store both permanent and temporary data. The hard drive disk, HDD, is an older and more common form of storage device, whereas the solid-state drive, SSD, is a more recent innovation, SSD. The graphic processing unit, GPU. The GPU handles large quantities of visual data, making it crucial for 3D rendering. Power supply unit, PSU. A PSU, short for power supply unit, does more than merely deliver electricity to your computer. It's where electricity from the wall plugs into your computer, and the motherboard moves in and out to various parts. However, not all PSUs are created equal, and your system won't function properly if you don't use one with the appropriate wattage. Apart from that, printers, joysticks, speakers, cameras, USBs, projectors, etc. are included in hardware.